Salt and chili chips. Ooh, beautiful. How to make salt and chili chips at home. Red pepper, white onion, chilies, garlic, spring onion. Don't forget the chips, these are frozen chips. Salt and chili mix. If you want to learn how to make this powder, there's a link appearing on your screen now. Crushed chilies, Shaoxing wine, and black pepper. So, heat your wok. Just add some vegetable oil. And you want to do this over a very high heat. Then we're going to go in with the onions, peppers, chilies. You want to fry those for about 2 minutes so we get the raw taste off them. Then we're going to go in with the chips. These are so easy to make at home. You can make these in minutes. Then we're adding the Shaoxing wine. Salt and chili powder. Some crushed chilies. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. And then finish it off with the spring onions.